Court calls case of the people versus Daniel Hardy. There are too many people. So that's
Assistant Public Defender Ben Dunawith on behalf of Mr. Daniel Hardy, who should be on Zoom.
I am here.
Okay, Your Honor, we are prepared to waive exam today. We do have an offer. We'll be taking advantage of it, Circuit Court. If we could ask the prosecutor to place that on the record.
The offer is that Mr. Hardy pays half the restitution, which is approximately $1,000 prior to the plea. Then he can enter a plea under 771 deferred that is contingent on him paying the remaining amount of restitution to take advantage of that.
And Mr. Hardy, do you understand that? And do you wish to waive your exam to go to Circuit Court to take advantage of that offer?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that a preliminary examination is a proceeding where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offense alleged was committed and that you committed it.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you will not have that hearing and you'll proceed to Circuit Court for further resolution.
Yes.
People also waive their right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defendants bound over to Circuit Court on a single count.
We will stand mute, waive the formal reading.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute, court will enter a not guilty plea. Pretrial in this matter will be set for
February 25th at 1:30 before Judge Connolly.
February 25th, 2026, 1:30 before Judge Connolly. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Court calls the
Thank you.
case of the people versus Robert Harris.
Assistant Prosecuting Attorney for the people.
Austin Lobto on behalf of Robert Harris. Mr. Harris,
You're requesting an adjournment.
yes, for further negotiation, Your Honor.
Your Honor, we briefly approached it.
Very briefly. I will adjourn this matter, probable cause conference to January 29th, 2026, 9 a.m. His bond will continue. He paid money to 50th District Court, which they accepted apparently. So I don't know what the deal is, but we need an order.
Okay.
Just
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court does call the case of the people versus Artishir Hassani.
And the Prosecuting Attorney for the people.
And Assistant Public Defender Nicholas Bukovich on behalf of Mr. Hassani, who is standing to my side. Can you please state your name for the record, sir?
Yes, Artishir Hassani.
All right.
At this time, Your Honor, I'll be asking for a brief adjournment to finalize some plea negotiations.
Probable cause conference, January 15th, 2026, 9 a.m. I'll need a green sheet.
Your Honor, we'll be sending over a stipulation to travel where my client will be traveling from January 5th to January 20th. So would it be possible to get the 22nd date?
Where is he going?
You're going to Canada, correct?
Yes.
Going where?
Canada.
Canada?
Offer will finish.
The whole place? Where in Canada?
Toronto.
Toronto?
Yes.
Oh, no. Things happen in Toronto. Beautiful city. Love the place.
Yes.
For that long?
For 2 weeks. Yes.
Not right about this. I'm not sure. January 29th,
Thank you, Your Honor.
and I'll wait to get the,
That should be being sent over shortly.
pardon?
The order should be being sent over shortly.
All right, very good. Thank you.
Thank you. Happy New Year.
And to you. Court calls the case, people versus Daniel Alon.
Ashley Phelps for the people.
Is that Mr. Hammond, Your Honor?
Elon,
Yes.
Sir, unmute, state your name.
Daniel Heelan, Your Honor.
And Assistant Public Defendant Nicholas Bukovich on behalf of Mr. Heelan.
What are we doing?
At this time, Your Honor, we requesting a adjournment for purposes of pre-negotiations. Mr. Heelan just got into treatment, so.
January 29th, 2026, 9 a.m. bond continued. Thank you, sir.
And Your Honor, I'm also handing you the green sheet for Mr. Hassani's file as well.
That's what I
Can I
had
say
done at the
something?
time that the case is called.
Yeah, I'm actually in treatment right now.
What?
I'm in intake. I'm in treatment right now, Your Honor.
That's what I said, Mr.
We already got that.
Oh, okay.
We'll see you on the 29th. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case People versus Robert Jameson II.
Felt this for the people.
And Assistant Public Defendant Nicholas Bukovich on behalf of Mr. Jameson, but not with.
Not with.
Not with.
Bench warrant will issue bond 10,000, cash surety. The warrant will issue immediately. Court calls case of the People versus Cyrano Johnson.
Assistant Prosecuting Attorney for the People.
Stephanie Cannon on behalf of Mr. Johnson. Mr. Johnson, when you're at the lectern, please state your name for the record.
Cyrano Johnson, how are you?
Thank you, sir.
And Your Honor, I do believe we're close to a resolution on this matter. However, I would just ask for a brief adjournment, hopefully for a plea.
I'll do it this way, January 29th, 2026. 9 a.m. bond continued.
You say January 26th, Your Honor?
29.
29th, I was so close.
I'm glad you were listening.
I-
All right,
Oh.
we'll do it then. Thank you.
I'm 60.
Oh, man.
Thank you, sir. Better leave Mr. Johnson alone. Court calls the case People versus Jaylen Johnson.
Assistant Prosecuting Attorney for the People.
Brian Bowling on behalf of Mr. Johnson, Your Honor. Your name for the record.
Jaylen Johnson.
Judge, I'm asking for an adjournment to try to obtain body cam footage from the police that I know Mr. Overwater is working on, as well as I'd like to do some investigation work within my office.
January 29th, 2026, 9 a.m. bond continued.
Completed that meeting notice yesterday, so.
Court calls case People versus Gregory Jones.
Officer on behalf of Jones. Your Honor, we are requesting an adjournment for further negotiations in this matter.
Probable cause conference, January 15th. 2026, 9 a.m. bond continued. Court calls case of the People versus Jimmy Lips.
Kenneth Overwater, Assistant Prosecuting Attorney.
Brian Bowling on behalf of Mr. Lips, who's approaching.
Your name, sir?
Jimmy Lips. Your Honor, I'm asking for an adjournment in this matter as well, looking to get surveillance footage from the store. I know Mr. Overwater is working on it.
Probable cause conference, January 29th, 2026, 9 a.m. bond continued.
Thank you, Judge. Yeah, give me a minute. I'll give you a notice for that.
Court calls case of the People versus Austin Lobto.
Kenneth Overwater, Assistant Prosecuting Attorney for the People.
Brian Bowling on behalf of Mr. Lobostal. You should be present on Zoom.
Lobostal, can you state your name, please, sir?
Austin Lobostal.
All right. Since court's understanding, I have a plea form in front of me that indicates he'll be pleading guilty to an added count 2 of larceny by conversion 200 to 1,000 to 1 year offense. Upon a successful plea to that charge, count 1 would be dismissed. Defendant is agreeing to pay $5,000 in restitution. There's a sentence agreement of deferred sentence under 771.1 under the condition that restitution is paid in full. That's the court's full understanding.
That is correct, Your Honor.
That's my understanding as well, Judge.
Sir, please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
State your name for the record.
Austin Lobto.
All right, sir, it is this court's understanding that you're going to be pleading guilty to the charge of larceny by conversion 200 to 1,000. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration, a $2,000 fine plus court cost. The fine could be increased 3 times the value of the property taken. If that's greater than 2,000, that would be your maximum fine. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
You understand also, sir, that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge, and you would be sentenced before Judge Freshour in the 14A4 District Court.
Yes.
Still wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
They signed it
Or
on my
you had your
behalf.
attorney sign one on your behalf?
Yes.
After going through it, do you have any question regarding any of those rights?
Nope.
Looking at paragraph 5, you understand also that you're waiving all of those rights on that form, including your rights that are your trial rights, which are contained under paragraph 5. You understand that?
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
I am, but I was not while when this
What, you
incident
weren't at
occurred.
the time that this happened, is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
I can do it if
Has
you
any-
can cover in the diaper team.
Really? Got it. Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today to get you to plead?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily and of your own free will?
Yes.
And also because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense?
Yes.
July 1st, 2024, at the location of 14655 Hines or Hinsey in Manchester Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan. What do you do on that date that makes you think that you're guilty?
I took a deposit on a job and I did not complete the job and did not return the money.
And it was a contracting type of work?
Yes.
All right. And the funds that you took, you converted those funds to your own use?
Yes.
And the amount was in excess of $200 that you took?
Yes.
Okay, sir, if I accept your plea, I need you to understand if you commit misconduct between the time I accept your plea and the time of sentencing, that's misconduct as defined by the Michigan court rules, you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea, and the court would not be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Counsel, you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
I am not.
And have I complied with the court rule?
People are satisfied.
I agree, you have.
Court will accept the defendant's plea to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. The pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 14A4 probation. Sentencing in this matter will be
February 3rd.
February 3rd, 2026, 9 a.m. before Judge Freshour.
May I address one issue regarding bond, Judge?
Yes, please.
Mr. Lobostal would like to go to Ohio with family.
For
They
what reason?
they own a cottage down there that they need to do some.
In Ohio?
Yeah,
They have those?
they do,
Okay, go ahead.
apparently. From January 3rd, returning on January 7th. So we'd ask for your permission to allow him to
To
do,
go to Ohio
to go to Ohio. Mhm,
on purpose.
apparently.
What part of Ohio?
Near Athens.
Oh,
The people do not object if Mr. Lobsdale wants to punish himself prior to sentencing.
well, if there's no objection, I guess I'll let him go.
Awesome, thanks.
Thank you, Your
Bond
Honor.
will continue. What are the dates you're going?
January 3rd through January 7th.
3rd through the 7th?
Correct.
You'll take care of that. All right. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Travel safely.
Thank you.
They don't even have roads.